Hello friends, welcome to this video on PHP MySQL web development. In this video, we will learn about performing different actions using PDO PHP library. It is a lightweight interface for accessing database. Let us see how we can connect to a database using PDO. Inside DSN, we provide the database driver, that is in this case MySQL, and then we provide the database credentials as a key value pair: host, database name, port, and the character set. Let us see an example code. We have $host, username, and password. And inside this try and catch block, we have created a connection object using a new PDO method. And inside the constructor, we have passed the database driver, a colon, then the host name and the database. And notice that this string is enclosed inside double quotes. And after DSN, and username and the password parameters are passed. Create a folder php-pdo-tutorial, then create a new file con.php. Let us see how we can insert data. Here we have a query assigned to $SQL, insert into books with the columns title, description, price, and category. But instead of values, we specify the column with a named label. For title, we have column title. For category, we have column category and other parameters as well. Here we have the values that we want to insert into the database. And first of all, using con objects prepare method, where we passed the SQL, we have created a statement object. And next, statement objects bind param method is binding the values with the named placeholders like $title with colon title that we have already specified inside the query. And in the last, using statement execute method, we have inserted the record into the database. Create a file insert.php. Let us see how to update data using PDO. In this example, first we have included the connection file, and the prepare method contains the update query. The title and price of the book will be updated, and inside the bind param method the values are bound to the placeholders, and we run the execute method, and in the last line the connection object is set to null. Create a file update.php. Open a new tab and add the URL for update.php and press enter. To delete a record from a database table using PDO, we have to prepare the query, and the statement object's execute method will remove the record from the table. Create a file delete.php. The script will delete the record with ID equal to 32. The record is deleted successfully. Let us verify in the database. We pass an SQL statement inside the prepare method and the query is executed. We use $statement objects row count method to check that the query has fetched the record. And inside the while loop, we use the fetch method by passing a parameter PDO fetch underscore associative. Create a file select.php. Type the URL select.php. You can download the source code on our GitHub repository. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.